These AirPods are huge. What is going on, guys? And today is an exciting day because in front of us we've got the brand new AirPods 3 and we are going to be unboxing it right now here in the channel. I'm actually extremely excited as always to be unboxing an Apple brand new AirPods, but here we go, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I gotta say, first of all, by the way, I'm not a big fan of the new design, but I'll get used to it, of course. And here we go. AirPods with MagSafe charging case. Yes, these new AirPods actually have MagSafe charging, which is pretty exciting, but most importantly, new design and better improvement in sound. Before we go ahead and look at them, let's see what's in the paperwork. We get paperwork and no Apple stickers. We get no Apple stickers and we get warranty info and the info pamphlet with all the tutorials on how to use them. Let's go ahead and see the actual AirPods. Here we go. They are much smaller than I was expecting. They are very tiny. Wow, I was not expecting them to be this small. By the way, I was actually very surprised, but not a lot of people know that if you actually pull this tab right here, you actually get a lightning cable. I don't understand how people don't know this, but yeah, that's a thing. We actually get a USB-C to lightning cable, but once again, you can actually charge these guys with MagSafe. So let's go ahead and actually check the AirPods out. Let's get rid of this plastic. Ooh, this plastic feels very thick. Jeez. So this is the charging case for the AirPods 3. Here's a quick comparison. This is the AirPods 2 and this is the AirPods Pro. So comparison with the previous generation AirPods 2, they're kind of the same size if we actually twist the AirPods like this. And then if we compare them with the AirPods Pro, the AirPods 3 are a little bit taller. Yeah, anyways, this is the comparison with the AirPods. And then if we go ahead and actually compare them with the AirPods Max, there's that. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open the AirPods 3 for the first time. And let's take a look at these bad boys. Holy crap. Hold on, first of all. Look at this instant pairing. This is the magic of the Apple ecosystem. These AirPods are huge. I don't know what to call this, but this head over here is just big. Let's go ahead and actually press connect because that's the magic of the AirPods, as I said, and they have officially been connected. Okay, they really get in your ear. Like, they really get in there. The previous generation AirPods never fell out of my ear, but I mean, look at this difference right here. I mean, the head is absolutely so much larger, so much bigger. And yeah, it really gets in your ear way much better than the AirPods 2. Go ahead and play a song. Let's see if I can notice this better improvement in sound. Okay, so Apple told me to try out these AirPods with I'm So Blessed You're Mine by James Blake. Spatial audio is like crazy in the song, so let's go ahead and check it out. You gotta try out this song on Apple Music. It's a good song, and the spatial audio is crazy. Okay, I mean, they sound great. They sound great. I'm no audiophile. I'm gonna go ahead and compare them with AirPods 2. Okay, I'm listening now on AirPods 2. I mean, I can definitely notice that spatial audio is not here. Let me try out AirPods 3 one more time. Oh yeah, the improvement in sound is definitely there. I mean, it's not the biggest advancement in the world, but it's definitely there. Like, you can really notice the difference. But for me, the biggest deal, I mean, of course, spatial audio is a huge deal, and I truly noticed the difference. The fit that the AirPods 3 have compared to the AirPods 2 are a huge advancement. Now, let me try out the AirPods Pro versus the AirPods 3 because AirPods Pro have, of course, better noise cancellation and they have better sound quality. Okay, AirPods Pro right now. Okay, so AirPods Pro are way much more superior than AirPods 3, but I mean, it doesn't get that much further. So I like this. I really like this, that there's the AirPods family is bigger than ever. I mean, you've got AirPods 2, which are very extremely cheap right now in 2021. Then you've got AirPods 3, then you've got AirPods Pro, and then you've got luxury listening with AirPods Max. So, I mean, nobody can say right now that Apple is expensive because you've literally got a price tag for every single person. 100 bucks almost that you could probably pick up on AirPods 2 for like 100 bucks. Super cool stuff. I mean, I love the AirPods family right now. There's so much. There's a price tag for everybody. Let me go ahead and try out MagSafe charging. I'm very curious on how it snaps. Let me go ahead and check it out. Okay, here we go. It just like snaps. Does it fall? Okay, it definitely falls, but I mean, nobody's gonna be doing like this, right? But I feel like the magnets should have been stronger because it doesn't feel like the iPhone. I mean, the iPhone, it just like snaps, like it's really in there. Another quick difference between AirPods 3 and AirPods 2 is that you actually tap this time. You actually have to squeeze. Same thing that we have on the AirPods Pro. Instead of like simply tapping over here, you kind of gotta squeeze. So one tap will pause your song, double tap will skip your song, 3 times will go to the previous song, and then if you hold, you'll activate Siri. So super cool stuff. If you want me to be honest, I kind of prefer what we have on the AirPods 2. I kind of like tapping instead of squeezing. It's fine, I mean, and it works incredibly well. Another thing is that the AirPods 3 are also water resistant. So if you sweat a lot in the gym, if it starts raining, they should be perfectly okay. So that's my unboxing of the AirPods 3. Stay tuned to my review because it's going to be absolutely crazy. Seriously, it's going to be insane. I'm actually gonna go film all day. Be happy because life is good, and I'm gonna go listen to some music with my brand new AirPods 3. Let's go, baby.